Welcome to Season 1, Episode 5 of the Meaningful Jobs podcast. I'm your host, Adrian, and today we're going to talk about Candidly. So Candidly, the reason why I chose Candidly is because it has a really important mission, and that is to help American students pay off their student debt more quickly. I've taken a look at their business model and how it helps students actually repay the student loans, and I think it's a really effective model that a lot of other up-and-coming fintech or other related companies can learn from. And I think what makes Candidly stand out is the fact that it uses machine learning to effectively personalize repayment plans and saving plans for students to help them pay off their student loans quickly. And of course, this is not free money because Candidly partners up with a lot of employers, and they offer Candidly as an employee benefit to help employees repay their student debt more quickly. I don't think you can sign up to Candidly as an individual. You've got to go through your employer if they partner up with Candidly and to use their services. But Candidly partners up with hundreds or even thousands of top-notch employers like UBS and so on. And Candidly claims that by using its platform, it lowers the average user's monthly student loan bill by $358, and that is a huge sum for a lot of people, especially for fresh graduates. And comparing it to the average loan repayment made by American students, which totals at around $400, Candidly lowers $358, which means that an average user using Candidly's platform can expect to only repay around $40 to $50 per month, and that frees up a lot of extra capital that they can put to good use. And Candidly doesn't just help users save money, it helps users identify financial opportunities to increase the productivity of the money they saved. Let's say if you saved $358 per month using Candidly's platform, if you just put it at a bank, interest rates might only be 2%, right? But Candidly will also partner up with different financial institutions to help make a plan that will use the saved money more efficiently. And I guess that is why a lot of users using Candidly's platform can not only save more money, but can also more quickly finish repaying their student debt. So let's go further in depth to understand Candidly's core capabilities. So aside from savings and a student loan dashboard that allows you to keep track of how much debt outstanding, how much you've repaid, how efficient the saved money is being used, it also has a lot of other useful capabilities like federal forgiveness finder. So President Joe Biden has recently announced federal student loan forgiveness. I think it's being fought at courts at the moment, but Candidly nevertheless offers a federal forgiveness finder that you can quickly use to help reduce your loans where appropriate. It also has college planning and financial articles to help college students increase their spending and reduce their expenditures. Obviously, it also has some high tech embedded into the platform, like auto payments, gamified repayment. That is a feature that I think is very interesting for users, because having to repay debt is not the most interesting thing to do, but having gamified repayments actually encourages the user to repay debt more quickly on time and makes it a more enjoyable experience. Personally, I've been lucky to be in a position where I don't need to take on any debt to finance my college studies, but I do think student debt is one of the worst kind of debts you can have if you can't figure out a way to repay it quickly and efficiently, because I know a lot of people who are just stuck with student loans for the rest of their lives, and I don't think they should take on student loans or student debt just for the sake of wanting to go to university. You need a long-term plan to repay that loan, and a lot of college students don't even know what money is. So I find this company really meaningful. If you do join this company, you'll be adding significant value for the economy to help people structure their finances better and help people repay their loans more efficiently. And most of their open positions are in the US at the moment, but I know that their employees are working remotely. Some employees are in Europe at the moment as well. So do take a look at their careers webpage. I'm sure you'll find a lot of interesting positions open. So I'll see you in the next episode.